I was waiting on the other side of midnight for you. Kept my eyes on the door from the corner of the room. Well, it hit me in the dark that you might not come through. Left me waiting on the other side of midnight, midnight. I don't know if it's been too long. All that I know is we should know. And every color has to fade, and every promise has to break. I know I could never change it. There's an end to everything. There's an end to everything. I'm terrified you're gonna walk away without me. Watching from the shore as the waves surround me. Leaving me to fight just to keep from drowning. Gotta be the one to save my whole life this time. I don't know if it's been too long. All that I know is we should know. And every color has to fade, and every promise has to break. There's a night to every day. There's a night to everything. There's a night to every day. Every color has to fade.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it and you would like to get more details about all the places I visited while I was in Dominica, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell because I'll be posting weekly vlogs detailing my experience in the Nature Isle and all the places shown in this video. Subscribe and stay notified. Thank you again so much for watching. See you in my next adventure.